If your faceless YouTube channel isn't getting many views yet, it's not your thumbnails or your editing. It's the system behind the channel. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how small channels grow without chasing viral videos. And once you see this, your videos become much easier to plan. Most people fail at faceless YouTube because they keep chasing different tactics. But what actually works is building a system that runs without you. In a minute, I'm going to show you the exact faceless YouTube system that actually works, and why it keeps winning long after the hype dies. But first, here's what most people do, and these fail every time. They jump between niches. They rewrite their strategy every week. And they copy random channels. And they do all this without fully understanding the structure. So nothing compounds, and there is no momentum, no data, and no real growth. They're building a pile of content, not an organized system. That system that works has only 5 parts. And every successful faceless channel uses some version of this. Step 1. Have one clear niche, meaning this. Not everything must be AI, and not all must be YouTube. Simply address one specific problem for one type of person. Step 2. Use a repeatable video format. That means using the same structure in every video. Open with hooks, then give insights, provide examples, and end with takeaways. So there's really no need for you to reinvent the wheel every time you make a video. Step 3. Use AI for production, not strategy. AI writes faster and edits faster. But it's only you who gets to decide on the strategy and the direction of your channel. Step 4. The binge chain. This is where every video pushes to the next. Not with random uploads, but a connected series. Step 5. The feedback loop. This is where you only track these 3 things. The click-through rate, the average view duration, and the topics that are pulling the most views. Beyond those 3 things, everything else is noise. This system works, and while it's simple and almost boring to build, it's powerful to own. Once it's set up, you don't have to stress about ideas. You don't need to panic over views. And you don't have to rely on motivation. You simply show up and run the machine. That's how small channels turn into real assets. Don't ask, can this video go viral? When the strategy is, can I repeat this for 100 videos? Because if you can repeat it over and over, you're building something that is real. And if you can't repeat this for 100 videos, then you're simply gambling. Everything in this series has been about this one thing. Turning YouTube into a system instead of a struggle. And once you see it that way, you never go back. When you understand that the system isn't where most channels fail, you'll quickly discover the mistake that usually happens in what comes next. If you haven't watched this series from the beginning, start with the first video. It shows the exact foundation this system is built on. That's where everything actually begins.